Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna, and I am very happy that you are here today. This podcast is made especially for beginner English learners. We speak slowly, we use simple words, and we practice English together. So relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy learning English. Today we will talk about a very interesting question, a question about the future. The question is, where do you see yourself this year? Think about that question for a moment. Where do you see yourself? Maybe you see yourself speaking better English. Maybe you see yourself traveling somewhere new. Maybe you see yourself learning a new skill. Today we will imagine our future. And while we imagine our future, we will also practice English speaking. But before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with this podcast, please subscribe to the channel. And please share this episode with a friend who is learning English. It helps our community grow. Also remember, you can download the worksheet for this episode. The worksheet will help you practice today's sentences. All right, let's begin. Let's start with the main phrase for today. The phrase is, I see myself. This phrase helps us talk about the future. It helps us describe our plans and dreams. For example, I might say, I see myself learning English. Or I might say, I see myself speaking English confidently. Let's practice together. This is shadowing practice. Listen first, then repeat. Ready? Sentence 1. I see myself learning English. Pause. Now you say it. I see myself learning English. Very good. Let's try again a little slower. Listen carefully. I see myself learning English. Pause. Now repeat. Excellent. Now let's try another sentence. Listen first. I see myself speaking English confidently. Pause. Now repeat. Wonderful. Now let's add a small variation. Listen. I see myself speaking English every day. Pause. Now repeat. Fantastic. Every time you repeat a sentence, your brain becomes stronger in English. Now let's imagine something different. Let's imagine health goals. Many people want to become healthier. Maybe you want to exercise. Maybe you want to walk more. Maybe you want to sleep better. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine this. It is early morning. The sun is rising. The air is cool and fresh. You are walking in the park. Birds are singing. You feel calm and happy. Now let's describe that future. Listen first. I see myself walking in the park every morning. Pause. Now repeat. Very good. Let's repeat again slowly. I see myself walking in the park every morning. Pause. Great job. Now think about your own health goal. Maybe it is walking, maybe it is running, maybe it is yoga. Say your sentence like this. I see myself exercising this year. Pause. Now repeat. Excellent. Small goals lead to big results. One small step every day can change your life. Now let's imagine something exciting. Travel. Many people dream about visiting new places. Maybe you want to visit a new city. Maybe you want to visit another country. Maybe you want to see the ocean or the mountains. Imagine this moment. You are at an airport. You have a small suitcase. You are excited. You are ready for a new adventure. Now let's describe that future. Listen first. I see myself traveling this year. Pause. Now repeat. Great. Let's try again. I see myself traveling to a new place. Pause. Repeat. Wonderful. Now imagine this situation. You are traveling. You meet someone new. They speak English. You smile. You start a conversation. Now listen carefully. I see myself speaking English while traveling. Pause. Now repeat. Fantastic. This is a dream for many English learners. Traveling, meeting people, and speaking English with confidence. Now let's review everything we learned today. Listen first. then repeat. Sentence 1. I see myself learning English. Pause. Sentence 2. I see myself speaking English confidently. Pause. Sentence 3. I see myself walking in the park every morning. Pause. Sentence 4. I see myself exercising this year. Pause. Sentence 5. I see myself traveling this year. Pause. Sentence 6. I see myself speaking English while traveling. Pause. Excellent work. Now it's time for your challenge. I want you to create 3 sentences about your future. Use the phrase, I see myself. For example, I see myself reading English books. I see myself speaking English with friends. I see myself studying every day. Now pause for a moment and say your 3 sentences. Take your time. Good job. You can also write these sentences in the episode worksheet. Writing helps your brain remember the language. Today we talked about something important: your future, your dreams, and your goals. When you imagine your future, you create motivation, you create direction, you start moving forward. Now imagine something for a moment. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You are speaking English, you understand conversations, you feel confident, you feel proud of your progress. That future is possible, and it begins with small steps every day. Listening, repeating, practicing, speaking. So now I want to ask you one final question. Where do you see yourself this year? Do you see yourself speaking English confidently? Do you see yourself traveling? Do you see yourself learning something new? Write your answer in the comments. We love reading your messages, and remember, every time you practice English, you move 1 step closer to your goal. Thank you very much for listening to English with Mr. Bond. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe, share, and download the worksheet for extra practice. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every day. I'm Anna, and I will see you in the next episode.